आ चुके हैं हम सकूरा और देखते हैं कि शेफ आज क्या बना रहे हैं। Let's go inside. What are you cooking today, chef?
Okay, this time we will make this, they call it Tori Goma.
Tori Goma.
Yeah, this was actually a deep fried chicken
Okay.
and with a spicy sauce. We have here, this is a cube slice of chicken.
Chicken.
And
Okay, that's
must be with the skin.
Thai. Thai meat?
Chicken thighs. Yeah.
Chicken thighs. Okay.
So first we will dip here in the dry flour. So from this flour, we need to deep fry it here.
Okay.
This changes again the position.
Deep fry करना है.
Okay, first of all, we have here this again sugar syrup. This is the chili powder.
Mix it.
This one. Ketchup. Hot sauce. We are now frying this chicken, and the chicken is now almost ready. So what we will do, because this one is cold, and the guests they like to have this one with and hot.
Yes.
So in here, we need to put the sauce from here.
This is called teppanyaki platter.
Yeah. If you see, the bubbles already start.
Yes. आप देख सकते हैं कि bubbles start हो गए हैं. इसका मतलब ये जो sauce है वो hot होना start हो गई है.
This is very simple dish actually. You can make.
Yes, it's very easy, quick.
You can make it at home. Chicken is ready.
What is this, chef?
This mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
Yeah, this is our dressing salad. Okay, then we will put little bit color of red. Tori Goma.
Tori Goma.
Right, Tori chicken and Goma sesame seeds.
Okay. कहते हैं ना good food is good mood. जब आपका oh yes yes खाना अच्छा है तो मूड भी अच्छा हो जाएगा eventually. ये देखिए हमारी डिश जो है वो रेडी हो चुकी है.